Welcome to this pedestrian dedicated traffic light. Outside, what is a big heap of rubble and sand? Okay, this is the site of the demolished temporary Karnia bus station, which is located outside the Karnia Center shopping center, which is being renovated. So, Karnia bus station was already upgraded once in 2007 with better seating and ramps and stuff, and then had a few more upgrades done in 2015. But now, since 2020, it's been here in the median while they've been doing upgrades to the shop and its surroundings, and now it's finally been opened again on Sunday, the 5th of September. So here we cross the pedestrian dedicated traffic lights to get to the shopping center easily. You press the button and wait a few seconds and you can cross. And here there's some arrows pointing you into the shop, which has basically every major department store in it now. And a massive car park as well, which actually flooded when it rained heavily, like over the last few months. Almost the most rain we've ever had. Okay, anyway, so here outside these bike URLs and nice stone floor is the brand new bus station. And I must say, it has improved a lot from what it used to be. Although, why is there a trolley bay right here? Okay, so here is stand 1 with bus routes 423 and 425 over to Stirling Station. And some nice tactile paving as well. And then over here, there is a beautiful screen display, like it's a train station, for which buses are coming to which stand at what time. And at this cool information and emergency point, we might try that in a moment, and a nice neat map of the few routes that you can take to Warwick, Stirling, Scarborough, and all the times. Oh, and Hillary's as well. No smoking or vaping. Vaping has become a major problem at the moment. There, a bench and a bin. And there behind was stand 2 with routes 424 to Stirling, and I think another one, but I don't know which one. And here it's 422, 423, and 425 to Warwick or Scarborough. And then the final stand 4, there used to be 5 stands, now there's only 4, only has special event buses. The 650, which is the stadium service, and the 680, which is a Crown bus service to the Crown Casino, departing at 10:01 on Wednesdays and Sundays from this stand. That timetable looks so weird with only 2 times on it under each day. Okay, so you can see here how the bus just pulls up from the main Karnia Road right there, and then has that cool median with the trees in the middle. And it's also got some layout bridge and there's a little fire engine. It's quite a cool, cute little station now. Better than it was before. And here there's an entrance down to the car park underground. Weird new smell coming from there. Brand new. And they put a nice little sign up, Karnia bus station. Even though it is just a few stands on the side of the road. But yeah, it just looks really cute. And this wall on the left with all the different colored bricks. It's really nice. I like the renovations. But there's the old one. Well, the temporary one after the old one closed for the renovations. It's been all demolished in like a day. It's gone. Here's bus 3215, one of the brand new B8s that Transport is on order, is ordering, and it's waiting to do a 424 service. Okay, let's try this thing now and see if it works.
Welcome to the Transperth Info Line. Our staff are here to help you. However, aggressive or abusive behaviour will not be tolerated. Such behaviour may result in your call being terminated. Please be aware that this call will be monitored for training and quality purposes. You are currently call number 4 in the queue. Thank you for holding.